Take a look at Logan Keel on the sideline.
Just waiting for them to throw another bomb to Manning. Could be bad news for Denver if they try that.
Seal, quick pass down the left-hand side. Manning up to the 11. First down.
That's a dangerous man. He's just a big play waiting to happen. Runs a go and then an out and just, man, he almost broke another one. San Francisco side of the ball.
Oh, absolutely. Manning now with 5 catches with 164 yards and 2 touchdowns. Seal back to pass. Checks it down to Zulu. Untouched. Walks into the end zone for Zulu's first touchdown on the season.
A nice dump off, and I just thought he was going to get about 5 yards, and then the crowd's going to go nuts. I go, oh.